Hello my friends, and I do hope that you're doing great today. So last time we did a video on importing custom textures, and today we want to do the same, but we want to import custom objects and be able to use them in our drawing. So if you have a look here, we have a gate, and actually this gate is a custom one. So it's a custom gate. I mean, we imported it into ArchiCAD and we used it here. So we want to use in this empty space, we want to place another object, which is a gate. So that's why I want to show you how you can be able to import that object and to be able to use it for what you want to do. And there are many ways two main ways. You can import a particular object, specific object, or you can import the entire folder containing those objects. But in our case, we just want to go with the particular object that we want, or the specific gate. So I'm going to objects. I double click on objects, and then so you click on this icon. There is this icon at the top. We call Nembo icon in Swahili. So you click this icon, and once you click on it, you'll be able to see another icon at the bottom. Then I'm going to load other object. Click on it, and you go to where you have your objects in your PC. So mine are here in objects. Then I'm going to gates and fences, and I want let me go with this one. Looks okay. Then open. So once I have it, I've loaded it, then I'm just going to, according to how I want it to look like. So yeah, I mean, now I'm going to place it the orientation. Then the height, I'm gonna place it at 2500, and let me place it at -500 from the ground. So this depends with how you've done your drawing. So it goes with the drawing. This is according to my drawing, and I'm placing okay. Then now it's just placing it. So yeah, let me place it here, but this one was not okay. So I'm going to click my gate, and what I want to do is to drag it a little bit at the center. I mean, to drag it so that it is well placed. Yeah, that looks okay. And in 3D you can see. So this is how the gates look. This is how the gates looks like, and it is nice. It looks nice. Yeah. So then you can be able to export it to your rendering software and do the rendering from there. So say let's say you want to use your object again. How do you find it in objects now? So when you go to objects, when you know the name of your object, you can just search for it and you'll be able to get it. But I don't recommend loading your objects, lots of your objects in ArchiCAD. It will make your drawing to be heavy, to be so heavy.